Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can increase stability in Rust when you're building something. So let's say you build a tower or something like this, and as you can see it is only 11% stability. So how you can fix that? Just place frames like this until it reaches the floor that you want to increase stability, and if I build right here again, it will increase stability. As you can see, it is now stable 58%, so we did increase that. So make sure to build a lot of frames to increase stability, or just walls, because that just simple gravity and you need to fight the gravity just like in the real life. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.